In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a template in DocuSign. To get started, open the DocuSign website and sign into your account. Make sure you're using the correct workspace or account, especially if you manage more than one. Once you're signed in, head to the Templates section. This is where DocuSign stores the reusable templates you've already created, making it easy to manage and distribute them to others on your team. When you're in the Templates area, find the template you want to share. If you have a lot of templates saved, it may help to quickly scan the list and confirm the template name before moving on. After you found the correct one, select the template to open its available options. From there, choose Share or Share Template, depending on the version of DocuSign you're using. The wording can vary slightly, but the purpose is the same. You're opening the sharing settings for that specific template. Once the sharing window appears, enter the names or email addresses of the team members you want to share the template with. Be careful to select the right people so access is only given to the intended users. Next, choose the appropriate access or permission level for each team member. This part is important because permissions determine what each person can do with the template. For example, some users may only need to view or use the template, while others may need broader access depending on their role. Take a moment here to make sure each permission level matches the level of access that person should have. After that, review the list of team members along with their assigned permissions. This is a good final check before sharing. Confirm that the right people are listed and that their access settings are correct. Once everything looks good, select Share to give those team members access to the template. Now wait for DocuSign to confirm that the template has been shared successfully. Usually, you'll see a message or notification letting you know the action is complete. Don't skip this confirmation, because it helps ensure the share request actually went through. Finally, verify that the selected team members can access the template from their own DocuSign accounts. This last step is useful because it confirms that sharing worked as expected and that there are no permission issues preventing access. That's all there is to it. You've now shared a DocuSign template with your team, helping everyone work more efficiently and stay consistent with the same document setup. Thanks for watching.